So do you have any indications when the major guys are going to head back to the offices, or is it not clear as yet?
See,
is
these
there any clear
statements
direction?
made to on the ground reality we need to check.
Yeah.
I don't think we're still ready to do the ground reality check because all are still not back. I think all the big boys are not coming back till June.
Okay.
That's a statement made, and I think they hold good.
Okay.
So I believe that will stay for some more time. We will know, I think, around June
Right.
is when I think everybody will take a call.
Right.
By the time I think most of the population is vaccinated out,
Right.
and you know the impact of those vaccinations also,
Sure.
where people are turning positive after vaccination or not, will also be determined by then. And if it is effective, I think we'll be back to work.
We'll be back to work.
May not be in full strength, but at least 60-70% will be back to
Right,
work.
right.
Maybe that 30% will rotate.
Right.
I think, and that's probably another way of not just managing cost, also a very strategic. So that if somebody were to fall sick here, 30% of the population is still out of it.
Okay.
So the continuity
Yeah.
of work happens, and therefore,
Sure.
without compromising 100% of your population.
Yeah. Actually, I want to ask you one other question. How open do you think the bureaucrats are and the system is to technology, right? Because as you rightly said, technology is the way forward. There's no doubt about it. Let's say, for example, blockchain in real estate. So if you want to introduce something as disruptive as blockchain in real estate for land title, for example, how do you think, what would be the reaction of the government to such
I
an
think
initiative? Right?
government is open to, I think.
Okay.
I think technologies today, they've seen the benefits flow right from Aadhaar,
Yeah.
the whole, direct transfers
Yeah.
have all been
DBT.
effective, and political parties have benefited from implementing it rightly.
Right.
Right?
Okay.
And I believe they will not think twice about implementing something that brings them back to not only just power, but also is seen as a very progressive thinking, parties.
Okay. But the problem in real estate is, by introducing technology, it would sort of detract from the middlemen making their money, right? So,
See,
so there might be some
let's leave the
resistance over
middlemen
there.
out of this. The
Yeah.
problem is only this,
Yeah.
that our basic records are a problem.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
I mean, you can go back up to 1905. We started the village map. Now, those are difficult things to handle. So, somewhere the government needs to step up and say, okay, this is the cutoff date
Yeah.
from when we see, because if there was a Nala in 1905 and you built a big building over it now, what can you do, right?
Yeah.
and
How would you even know there's a
and now there's a road there, let's say, the national highway has gone through.
Yeah.
What do you do then?
Right,
So
right.
there are certain limitations to the way we are currently structured.
Right.
I think if people were to put their heads together,
Right.
they'll find solutions.
Right.
And
Right.
everything is doable. Today, the most complex of tasks are in technology.
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah.
And it's completely remote controlled.
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah.
So we've gone to new levels in technology.
Right.
And-
And you guys have also a 3D walkthrough, virtual walkthrough company, right?
What we have done is technology means you have to put money in. Otherwise, you will be staring at it,
Yeah.
not knowing what it does. So it's only when you put money and you start working. So you have AR, VR companies.
Yeah.
We have a robotics company.
Okay.
So we have an electric vehicle company.
Fantastic.
So
Okay.
technology means that if you immerse into it, it's
Yeah.
when you will actually benefit from it.
Absolutely.
And blockchain, all these things, they're all words at this moment of
Yeah.
time. We have not got them to use for our benefit.
Yeah.
Some of them have. The Bitcoin part has really
Yeah.
taken off, and that's the next big thing that's going to happen.
Yeah.
And
Would you guys be accepting bitcoins for next
no, we
project?
don't. Only Tesla is. We don't.
Yeah.
But I believe it
Yeah.
won't be long. I don't think it won't be long because, but it has serious implications for governments.
Right. Started with the history of the Machani Group. Maybe we could conclude by you telling us what the future holds for the group in terms of what are the different directions and what are the different projects, initiatives that you guys have.
For us, manufacturing is big.
Yeah.
So we'll continue to grow in manufacturing. We've been making springs for the last 60 years.
Yeah.
So now we're also diversifying into making arms and ammunition for the government.
Okay.
We have been given license to do that. So
Right.
that's an extension of our manufacturing line.
Fantastic.
Similarly, in our tech space, we're going to start manufacturing robots here in Bangalore.
Okay.
Right? And electric vehicles.
Okay.
And as a group, we'll have end-to-end solutions in electric vehicle.
Right.
Starting from the charging station
Right.
to a powertrain where you can retrofit your car with electric and start running tomorrow.
Okay.
So therefore, and of course, real estate, we will do niche. We will not be
Yeah.
a mass player.
Right.
But every product that we make shall support a certain design element,
Sure.
which people will value it.
Right.
And that's our game.
Right.
So we don't want to
Right.
be doing hundreds of projects.
Yeah.
But I believe our game will be
Right.
nice,
Right.
exclusive
Sure.
products,
Sure.
which people appreciate.
Sure.
And
And that's a market that's always there, right? And it's a growing market also, would you say?
see,
Luxury real estate
as
market.
income
you know.
levels raise, as we move on to the another 10 years,
Yeah.
the ability to afford
Yeah.
and want what I want, I'll be willing to pay for it.
Right.
And if you can satisfy that part
Yeah.
with some great real estate design
Yeah.
and quality of work inside, there is no stopping anybody. I
Right.
mean, it's open to all,
Sure.
not just
Sure.
us.
Sure.
Anybody who puts his head together
Yeah.
and works at it, and not look at a quarter-on-quarter problem
Yeah.
of I want to build so many millions. For
Right.
that, the big players are already there.
Yeah.
They know that game very well.
Right.
And for us, I think we need to stay in that niche and play that market well.
Sure.
And keep on improving the whole quality of execution,
Sure.
timeliness of delivery.
Right,
You know,
right.
and
Becoming more professional, you would say, right?
and then maybe put blockchain.
Yeah. Why not?
Why not? If we
Right.
start with us, why not point somebody else, point
Absolutely.
fingers at somebody else?
Yeah, absolutely. Absolutely.
Start with us.
Right.
And therefore, you can initiate these things, and let's see how it goes.
Let's see.
But I believe the future is good.
Future is-
A massive, next decade is going to be massive for all of us
Right.
who are
Right.
here in India.
Right.
And I see a lot more people coming back.
Here's the place to be then, right?